I love siya sa kanyang ate mo. Again, ate. Pag kami ang gumaganyan sa kanya, hindi siya tumatawa. Pag yung ate niya, do it again. Okay, again. Do it again. Do it again, ate. Dito kami sa club. Good morning, everyone. Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Yan, may pupunta ng paaralan. Yan, nag-drop namin to siya. Hala, your water bottle is in here na. Oh.
In my
Take that one.
time.
Don't drink that one, ha? We'll put fresh water.
Right here.
Yeah. We'll put fresh water later.
Some milk in,
Milk?
in the baby bottle.
Okay, later.
Like, no, last time.
Later tonight, lagi.
No.
Huh?
Mommy, last time I bring it to school. Last time I bring it in the car, Mommy, in the morning.
That's right, but we don't have milk right now because
Yucky.
no, our fridge is. That's right, it's broken, so we don't have a fridge. Anyways, we'll put new water on that one. Alright, see you, Tita.
Bye.
See you, Tita. Tito.
See ya, Tita.
Study this. I'll show you the little one. Hi. Shush. Very dark. Very dark man. Shush. Biting the zebra. The zebra. Yummy? Very sleepy na to siya, guys. Kasi an hour ago, pinadede ko. Hindi siya natulog.
I'm sleepy.
Are you? We're going now, okay? Okay? Hinuktok si Iya.
A few moments later.
So, way to put fresh water. Hey, mommy, kiss. I love you.
Yeah.
Be a good girl, okay? I will see Santa tomorrow. Love you, honey. Shush, big girl na ang ating ate, ay. Ang isa natin dito ay Sleeping Beauty. Alam kong matutulog yan siya kaagad eh. Pagkabalik ni Daddy Mike, guys, pupunta tayo ng Filipino store dito sa Springvale kasi kukuha tayo ng isa pang LBC box. Diba sabi ko, 3 yung nasa bahay, kailangan pa namin ng isa kasi sobrang dami talagang bagay na gusto kong ipadala sa Pinas. And diba na-mention ko din last vlog na dapat sana yung 2 boxes pipick upin this today, Thursday. Pero kayo ng umaga, tinawagan nila ako sobrang aga, 7 o'clock. Tumawag sila, sabi nila maka-cancel daw yung pick up today. I-move daw nila ng Saturday na. So, sa Saturday na nila pick upin yung 2 nating boxes. And then, the other 2 boxes, sa Tuesday. So, parang the same lang siguro na tawag to yung ship, yung sasakyan ng 4 na boxes, no? Kasi, kung yung 2, pick upin ng Sabado, and then the other 2 sa Tuesday, yeah, it's not, far apart. And after that, hindi ko sinabi sa inyo kanina kasi maintindihan ni Ate Paris natin. So, Daddy Mike and I will go to the shopping center kasi we're going to do our Christmas shopping. So, today is the 16th. And, start na pala ng simbang gabi today. Kaninang madaling araw, no? But yeah, pupunta kami ng shopping center to do our Christmas shopping. Bibili kami ng yung regalo for Ate Paris and all kasi 'di ba? Kung napanood niyo yung mga videos natin, sinabi niya kung ano yung gusto niya from Santa Claus and alangan namang bilhin namin na nandyan siya. So we will go while nandito siya sa childcare niya and then yeah, we'll have time para bilhin yung mga gusto niya for Christmas. And she's been a really good girl as well, so she deserves all of it. And then, pero ayaw ni Daddy Mike pumunta doon sa ano guys, doon sa Chadstone Shopping Center, yung pinakamalaking shopping center dito ba. Kasi we know na sobrang busy doon. Kasi Thursday and again, it's nearly Christmas. So, full pack yung shopping center. So, we'll go to the shop na medyo low-key lang ba. Parang hindi siya sobrang busy. Walang masyadong maraming shop talaga. Yung importante lang talaga is mabili namin yung kailangan namin for Christmas para kay Ate Paris natin. Dadu.
What?
Yes, Daddy.
Huh?
I said we're going to do our Christmas shopping.
Yes.
What are you gonna get from that?
Huh? Something from Cotton On? Yeah, maybe something from Cotton On.
Thank you, Dad. I'd appreciate it.
Huh?
I'd appreciate it very much.
Yes.
So we're just gonna go to I'll just get one box quickly,
You better go.
and then yeah, I'll go. So which shop are we going to?
Which one's closest?
Chadstone.
You gotta go Chester. I'm gonna go like good time, 9:30, 10.
I wanna get a bow for Celine, like a nice one, you know. Just go Chadstone bow. The Glen.
Glen or whatever's not Chadstone. The Glen or whatever's not.
There's only Gladstone anyway. Gladstone. There's only the Glen anyway.
You also, yeah. The Glen then.
The Glen.
Mama's just taking out Celine from the car here at the Glen, and she's gonna take me to go buy presents for me. Might get a little Christmas tree. There's my big girl. Yeah, look at you. She looks pretty confused.
You're still so sleepy. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. I am still sleepy. Where's the headband now? Josh! Hey, Joyce! Hi! Sorry, my love. Sorry, Judy girl. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa loob ng shopping center. So see, walang masyadong tao. Pero sa Chadstone for sure, marami ng mga tao doon. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Tingnan niyo ang mask, Daddy. Mahal-mahal yan ba? Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton mask.
What do you feel like eating?
We'll go have a look. Here's the baby girl. Here's the baby girl having selfie again. Do you know that there's a cloud shop here, Bob? Oh, I think it's around there. Filipinas.
Yeah.
I've seen like they do on live selling.
Alright.
They do live selling. Dito kami ngayon sa isang Chinese na restaurant, guys. We're having some spicy
Beef noodle soup.
beef noodle soup. Hello, spicy. Thank
you.
you. So
You
we
need a
have
fork?
the same. Yeah. I'll ask for fork kasi hindi ko alam gumamit nito, guys. Oh, taga-bukid talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya gamitin. Hayaan nyo na ang gali-gali. So, that's the soup. That looks really spicy. Oh, spicy talaga siya. You want spicy? I'll give you spicy. Little girl is just there. Oh. Kain muna kami before kami magtingin-tingin kasi para may energy. Para may energy. Tingnan nyo, guys. Konti lang yung nakain ko. Kumuha na lang ako nito. Oh. 50 cents pa naman to siya. I'll just take it away. Kasi alam niyo, sobrang sarap ng noodles niya, guys. Alam niyo, dito yung ginagawa. Meron silang mga tao dyan. Oh. Diyan sila gumagawa. Sila talaga yung gumagawa ng noodles nila. Sobrang sarap. Pero alam niyo, the downside is Sobrang alat, grabe. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, uwi ko na lang para lagyan ko ng parang more boiled water ba. Ayan. Para mawala-wala konti yung kanyang alat. Sarap pa naman talaga, guys. Sobrang alat lang talaga. High kidney stone. Daddy's enjoying his.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! Guess where we are? We are in the, how do you call this one, Daddy?
The lights.
The lights.
Light.
Dito kami sa club. Club na merong bakti. Hello, hi girls! You like this? Meron silang pag ganito dito guys, oh. You can take a photo here and all. Ayan, change yung kanilang like, may hot chocolate ako sa aking bibig. It's beautiful! Beautiful. Picture lang dito, guys. Kita ba sa mirror? Diyan, see? Pack, ganun. Pack, ganun. We're gonna go home after this.
Ready?
Hello! Uy! Let's start because the light change. Can we move a little bit? The other two. We are home. Josh! We are home now. Ayan na yung mga napamili namin. Ayan. Hello! Who had a poo-poo? Who had a poo-poo? It's nearly, 5:30 na ata ngayon. So very soon, we're going to pick up Ate Paris. So we have to put this all away. So tingnan nyo guys, oh. Sobrang dami. Pumunta pala ako sa after nung nagbili kami ng mga toys, pumunta ako ng isang shop. Ayan, so I bought some socks for Celine, and then dress for Ate Paris sa TK Maxx. Ayan. O, diba? Summer na summer. Ayan. Size 3. Ayan, o. So, sa TK Maxx, I think, ewan ko kung nakalagay ba. Kasi, diba, cheaper yung mga benta nila sa TK Maxx kumpara sa original price pa. Wala mo nakalagay. So this one is $25. And then, ayan, ito yung mga laruan niya. Para siyang para sa Christmas. Grabe, sobrang dami binili ni Daddy Mike. Alam niyo si Daddy Mike, all out yan pagdating sa kanyang anak. Mag-promise din kasi siya na if you're being a good girl, Santa will give you toys. So, ayan. Anyways, naka-sale to siya sa Target for $5. Kasi, alam niyo guys, always naming nawawala. Danghag lang, ang agi. Then, got this bibs. Maganda yung ano, kulay. Then, while nandun ako, ayan, nakita ko to siya. No? Sobrang cute niya. So, for Celine. And then, oh, this is for Ate Paris. Socks niya. Kinain na lahat ng washing machine. Another socks for baby Celine. White lang. Pure white. I got pen here. And then, ito yung Hungry Hippos. Yung laro-laro ba? So, kaming lahat maglaro-laro. So, this one actually. Hindi ko pa to siya na-try, but it sounds, you know, English creamy toffees. Toffees? Whatever. So, ayan dyan. Namili kami nito, yung pang cover. Ay, cover wrapper. And then, there's another ano dito, mga laruan. Oh, I went to Cotton On. I saw this one. And I bought this one for baby Celine. Dress to siya. Naka-sale siya for $17.50. Then, pets. Yung colorful na sand. Then, the bottom. Ayan yung mga pangkikay. Kikay kit. What's in the bottom? Oh my goodness. Paw Patrol books. 4 books. Meron pang mga books dito sa ilalim. Na, alam niyo ba lahat to kay Ate Paris? Kasi, baby Celine, hindi pa naman makapaglaro. But, they will share it one day. So, ito, meron din yung 3 books dito na Frozen, Moana, and The Little Mermaid. And then this side, we've got puzzles and Cocomelon. And then favorite ni Paris na LOL. Ayan. So wala pa talaga yung, alam niyo yung palagi niyang sinasabi na Diana treasure chest. Yun talaga yung pinakagusto niya for Christmas, but wala silang ganoon doon. So tomorrow, we'll go to another shop to find that. But for now, yeah, ito. Ito na yung mga napamili. So we'll keep them sa garahe para hindi makita ni Ate Paris. We have to wrap them. Yeah. Where? Where? I can't see.
He stopped.
Stopped?
And he ran away already.
Not Santa, it's Australia Post. Pakarawan ka?
Santa.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna. Daddy's waiting in the car.
I did this. Santa's waiting with like.
And Celine too. And
Too
Celine
bright.
too. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, but it's too bright.
Too bright. Tingnan nyo guys, yung buhok niya. Oh my God, kanina, pagka-pick up ko. Grabe. Ilayog. Ikaw lang, nga bata.
Walking like a model.
You're walking like, eh?
Model.
A model? Wow, babe, show me. A model. Sure enough, eh? Pag sure, Paris. Okay.
I bang my head.
Hello, Papa.
Yeah.
Hello.
Come on. Before Celine cries, anak.
Why did you have something for me?
What is it?
There's something for me.
There's something for you?
Yeah.
There's bread.
Mommy.
That's so yummy.
You have to buy some. You have to buy some surprise.
It's a surprise.
I have to buy some surprise? Why do I have to?
Cause I like surprise.
But I don't have money.
Wait a minute. I got surprise at home already.
Yeah, that's right. So I don't need to buy more, yeah? Yeah.
I'm gonna eat them all.
Yeah, you understand mommy don't have money, yeah?
Mama,
Hmm?
I eat the stand up in the face. And I want the candy one.
Come on,
Jelly beans. The Christmas jelly bean. I want to have it.
Hey, Paris.
Daddy.
Daddy, come on. I love siya sa kanyang ate mo. Again, ate. Pag kami ang gumaganyan sa kanya, hindi siya tumatawa. Pag yung ate niya, Daddy, again. Again, Daddy, again. Daddy, again, ate. Uy! She's very in love with you now. Daddy! Look at this. Tignan niyo ang magkapatid, oh. Parehas kaya sila ng mukha. Babe, look at here, in the camera. Hi, Celine. Look at here. Look at here, then. Look at here ba? Okay, we'll have a look. Be? Wow! Are you sisters? You have the same face. Ate Paris natin pumasok, oh. Tingnan niyo. Oh? Magkasing laki na sila. Magkasing laki. Are you bigger than Ate Paris? Ayaw, anak. Anak, that's not very nice. It's okay. Have a look. Oh, Celine is making noise. You monkey? Oh, boy, God bless you. God bless you.
God bless you.
She's holding your hand up, oh?
No, he's grabbing my finger. No, holding hands.
Just the finger. Just the finger.
Look at this, Mama.
Celine.
Who told you?
Who took that cookie from the cookie jar? Paris took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Then me.
Then who?
Daddy.
Daddy? No, Celine. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Celine took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Yes, you. Who? Yes, you.
Not me.
And who?
Then who?
Mommy.
Mommy. Be careful, anak, ha?
Take the cookie.
Be gentle, ha?
Who take the cookie from the cookie jar? Who take the cookie from the cookie jar?
Sing for Celine to Into the Unknown.
I'll get me in.
Come on.
I get me in now. I get me in now. Get me in now.
How about the Hey, You're Adorable?
My what about Humpty Dumpty?
Lula is coming. Lula is coming. Say hi to Lula. Hello. Si Lula. Hindi siya nakakasalita ng English, guys. Iba yung kanyang, flying kiss, anak. Lula, anak. careful นะคะ Okay